what happens when you add in an SD card in this tablet. So let's see. So when you put in an SD card, it says corrupted. So you have to format it and set it up first. So if I go in the setup option, it tells you how will you use this SD card. You can store more apps, files, and media on this tablet. Extend the internal storage of your tablet with your SD card. And please note that your SD card will no longer work on other devices. So it's gone. So you need to have a separate SD card just for your Fire tablet. And then there is the second option. You can use it as a portable storage if you want to use this SD card on other devices as well. But then you can transfer files and media between your tablet and other devices. Please note, some media such as movies, music, or books that is copyrighted from apps may not transfer between devices. But for both of these options, you need to format your SD card. Now, I already have data on my SD card and I don't want to format it. But here it insists that I format my SD card and use it from scratch, which I don't want to do. So you have two ways of using your SD card. You use it just for your Fire tablet, or in the other option you have to format it anyway. So that's the thing with SD cards. So very important thing to know before you buy this tablet for media consumption.